Welcome back to the Ranch Network, and today we've got an amazing task on this project, converting the old horse stables into an amazing plant nursery. I mean, look at, we've come a long way so far. We're gonna remove that back wall off the back room and put some polycarbonate up there. That way the sun can come through, you can look outside, it's gonna be beautiful. Let's get to it. Oh, folks, I think we got some challenges to overcome. As you can see on here, we've got some sheet metal screws with the hex head. We've got some pop rivets, and we've got some wire. Once we take off this wall here, I've got to clean everything out of the back room, sweep it out. I'm gonna go on the other side and see if it's any easier to get rid of some of these obstacles. So as you can see in here, it's pretty yucky. It's pretty nasty. Look at this. That's just gross. That's just gross. I'm seeing a lot of wire holding this on. And in some places, like nothing at all. But it's a lot of wire. I think if I cut the wire, I should be good. I might not have to remove any of those rivets from the other side. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna start low and go high. So if you start removing all these wires from the top portion of the wall, and then you go to the mid tier and then down to the bottom, it's just gonna flop right out. So you wanna start with the bottom and then work your way up. Then you can carefully guide it down to the ground. Now this is what I'm talking about. There's so much dirt and old fiberglass and whatnot on the inside, it's hard to see all the places that I've gotta cut the wire.
That's an interesting area.
I know, right?
It looks like tar.
Tar.
Tar paper?
Yeah, I think we're doing pretty good. We got quite a bit of it loosened up. Watch out. Yay! Yes! Look at that, folks. You can see right in. Yeah, now we're gonna have to clean this area out really good. So I've got some 1x3s by 8s that I'm gonna mount onto these rods and then mount the polycarbonate onto that. That is so cool. You can walk right in, Jennifer.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm excited we got the back of it off. How cool is that?
It's very cool.
Way cool. I'm coming around. So Jennifer, what was the big hurry to get all those plants from off the back porch and into this plant nursery?
Once it starts to get in the 40s and you have tropicals, it is a good idea to place your plants indoors and have sort of a greenhouse area for them, or at least something you can control the climate better.
Yeah, exactly. It feels so strange having this back end open like this. It's crazy, you know. I don't know, it's strange.
Whoa. Oh, hello again, Molly.
Hello.
Hey, look what I found. A washer.
Oh.
Look, guys, it's a washer.
Yeah, there you go.
This is something we really had to do anyway because the mice that we had, and then we had the vultures back here, their birthing station. So it's one of those things where you need to clean it up really good. Oh, boy, look at this. This is gonna be awesome. Plus amazing, plus wonderful, plus cool, plus we're almost ready to put those on. Jennifer, this stuff's gonna go up pretty soon.
I don't know. Oh, it's sinky.
Careful, careful, careful.
Sinky, sinky.
You're dangerous, Jennifer.
You put this here.
The other one on it. Okay. Put it right there in the center, Jennifer.
Oh, that's almost dead on.
That's
Okay,
close enough.
let's get the next one.
Yeah, perfect.
Check it out. This is spectacular, folks. This polycarbonate went on really well. And the fact that you could see through this way and not so much this way, it's good. It has a nice look and it has a nice feel to it. Wait, don't you go anywhere. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, do all those things. Your interaction and your support mean the world to us. So it's a wrap for another great project here on the ranch. This plant nursery project is quite a bear, but we're getting it done, and we appreciate you guys hanging out with us and joining us for the ride. So with that being said, from me, Jenny, and Troy, have a blessed day. We'll see you guys later.